Aji we come tire Baoping. LM Blog Li Shorkawi Project na tay da Kupsang Kahai Aya Chief Minister na Tharkat Kami Haira. Scientific Degree Farming Maramli Aya Lamlai Konoli Training Rani Aka Kwikami Haira. National Register of Citizens NRC update Sami Haulo the Federation of Haumena State Shorkali Po Haira. Lake Kayangator, Aju the Tangkhul Express, we power Ringphawon Zimik na pami delay. Aju pao may sa ay na nganang rumsa. LM Blog Li Shorkawi Project na tay da Kupsang Kahai, Aya Chief Minister na Tharkat Kami Haira. SDO, BDO Office Building Kathar, MSCP Bank, One Stop Center ay na Police Outpost Hiping Hi Tharkat Kami Khawai, Chief Minister Biren Singh na Aya LM Blog Li kada Community Outreach Program akakwikaya. Raja Sabha MB Leshamba Sanajauba Kalakhurai AC MLA L Sushindro Anila Chief Minister Linga Yurkaya. Rania Juli Ukhrul DC SP Kala ex MLA Presho Shimre BJP intending candidate Somatai Shaiza Atumla Wazanga. Tenem Kuli Ngareo Pung Samira Kala Kachai Hi Model Village Ngasang Sagura the Chief Minister na Rania Juli Hanga. Pettigrew College ji Modern College akasada semka kapaina kala college ji upgrade sakhwai project with budget lupa crore hang turuk da phanga aina semka highway crore thumrada kuthum sanction unghaira the Chief Minister na hanga Lakhawak State Shorkali Corporate Maksa Phongshok the Chief Minister na LM Blog li kakaji TKS na makhamya chitheda aya bungbaro aina hapok laga pungkhani aina tangda Ukhruli shutdown ngahota Christmas nganai shun haira kala ramnauping ot lotak ngorok ser da khalai atam hile shutdown kasawi maringa phala kashapau samphanga Ka ayawi total shutdown khanghoji chekchinglak aina masathura kachi paula samphanga Chief Minister na aya Tharkat Kami ka highway Ringapha Phongshok da kahang LM Police Station china Ukhrul District wi Khung Chiko Yangsangki kachina Kala china ya really policing services nganai mai khwira mira da hanga LM DD Blog li SDO BDO Office Tharkat Kami ka hai china blog chi wi Khung pingli public service mathamai khawai apong ngasara the Chief Minister na hanga Scientific Degree Farming Maramli Tamjite Khawai Mapitel New Gen Farmers Club na Aya Lamlai Konole Training Rani Aka Kwikamiya Rani ji BJP State Kishan Morja Vice President Ningringam Kushung na sponsor Sami Kala Manipur Progressive Bakery Farmers Association na Technical Support Mida Rungkamina Rani ji Kamjongli Modern Scientific Farming Kwira Khawai Training Kami Kasana Training Jili Lamlai Kono Chatong Thoi Kala Ramrewi mi bing wazanga jiya ADC Bill 2021 table masami ranglaka Manipur wi National Register of Citizens NRCG update sami haulo the Federation of Haumena State Shorkali Po Haira NRC update salaga undocumented immigrants pingchili ichichawi ngaleli joho unghaulo the Federation china hanga India wi apam psychora NRC update samrokhwai Union Home Minister Amit Shah na 2019 kum November ngaphei gajang parliament ni chishat ka haina the Federation china state chokale phaning ong saka Haumi Federation na kahang ADC bill wi chapter 3 li gajang athishu the ADCs wi odngrut li gajang autonomous district wi alungni khung kathar kasem kala recognize sakami jina migrants being Manipur li pan khawai apong mi haura chiwiwang bill ji state assembly li table masarang laka NRC update sami haulo kuchina da hanga Phungyer Union Baptist Church wi building kathar kasem le MLA Lesio Kaising na Mingai Rio Mathantup Ngchon mi kahai wiwang church china ninggashi ringapha phongshok haira MLA Lesio na awi own expenses aina ngchon mi da UPC Church kathar kasemwi ngale khangacham ji Zimik show chuko thangwe alungli sakup mi ya da Phungyer UPC New Church Building Planning Committee na hanga Chiwiwang ringapha niyang khung kala ninggashi phongshok da Lesio Kaising kala awi shimkur Kazatli Varena Yurmi Chingrano Kichi UPC Pungyerna Hangjipuna. Hang Pangada Kachiko Young Rapay General Conference Kam Cultural and Sports Meet Hi Achawantang Tarik Tharada Shini Thang Kupsanghaira. Rani Ji K Welili Tarik Tharathang Aina K Weli Katamna Longna Makog Mida Rimphalak Aina Kupsanghaira Chia. Young Rapaywi Thang Rani Li IRS Principal Commissioner of Income Tax Timothy Zimik, 6 MR Ukhrul District MPS Deputy Commandant Moon Umkhai, Kala ex BJP National Executive Member STM Asai Samayang Ngukwimiza Atum Namaso Sadawazanga. Young Rapay General Conference Cum Cultural and Sports Meet Chile, Young with Delegate Shamati Shikana Sharukuya, Ranyaji Rungkamiya K Wali Katamna Long, K Wali Chairman, Kalakung Bing La Sharukwimi Gahai Psychorele YRC Executive Na Ningashi Milushita, Ringapa Christmas Aina Kamahai Kumtarang Sarano Kichi Hangjipuna. Yarili Tangasagli Gaja. Humbung Cement Factory we Ngalemli Clay, Prayer Mountain Center we Azingli, Wishong Hegzanga, Totwang Kushung Aina Ungamla Varawi Lamji, Kachukatamina duplicate or fake documents singlaga, Yorkawai Sadakale we Pau Zadalechia. Kashenga documents Kala Akava Matekula, Naleji Klobingji, Kalatawi, Kalakashi, Kashman Nasara the Levajina, Kachishad Kasana. Hangda Kale, Ngalay Jui Maram Kupmaida, Levale, Natin Quingayaka, 841-422-9144, Maningaka 8974-204-296 Ngahanwa Paira. 27 National Thangda Championship Jamuli Hapokhaira. Ngahanwi Kare Zimik Shotang, Manipurna Gold Medal Tharada Phanga, Sampanghaira. Sub Junior Boys, Aina Girls, Categorically Manipurna Mangali Zadale, Gold Medal Tharada Phanga, Kala Silver Akhada Sampanghaira. Host Jammu and Kashmir Zangda Judges Card Aina Assamla Gold Medal Avavurip Sampanga. Punaba Ama Sub Junior Boys Li Manipur Gold Medal T-shirt, Kala Assamna Gold Akhada Sampanga. Punaba Ani Suba Sub Junior Girls with Gold Medals Shini Manipurna Yuihau Kala Judges Card Aina Jammu and Kashmir la Gold Medal Avavu Sampanga. National Thangda Championship Chile India with states Aina Union Territories with Kangareo now Thinka Gada Vagazangna Chia. Singjamai with BJP Mahila Morjana Aya Kamal Sakibud Semelan Aina Executive Meeting Room Mida Rani Ji Matailak Aina Shina Wivang Sami Haira. BJP State President A. Sharda Devi Lachuli Wazangda Shina Sanna Electoral Politics Li Sharuk Mathamai Kuyaka Manipurli Pakamai Kangache Kwirara da Hanga. Sharda Devi na Kahang State with local bodies li seat akum Tumrada Kutum Shinauping Wivang Haimi Kahaina. Kalachi Yari Rin Wivang Twitter Kukwili Gender Cap Swita Kawai Kasana da Hanga. Local bodies Pingwe Gazo Ngapam Shinauna Kwidale Kuchi Hangda Kamal Saki campaign hi Shinauping politics li Zang Kawai. Kala BJP NPs Prevangara Aina women activist Ping Kangashik Kwiramida Atumnang Rumda Ningchuk Kamatha Kushok Vairano Kuchi Kasana. Kapha Yaripan Kasemli Mayor now Aina Shinau Kanini Ngarai Jada Sharukui Pulunki Kachina Kachihi Hangda Shinau Ping Shim maintain Kasajila Politics Akabapa Mada Shardana Hanga. Manipur Legislative Speaker Y. Khemjanla Rani Chiliva Matuida Kapung Aina Tambagwe Alungli Cap Lake Kasajila BJP Shorkarna Ngashik Mihaira bans blockades Kasala Mathalak Aina Swita Haira da Hangsanga. Parties Kateli Ngashik Laga Shorkar Kasemhi governance Matha Kawai Kasa Ningatay Ngorokauda Saklaka Kachihanga. Stately corruption Maling Sakhawai Achawi election liver BJP na absolute majority Aina Kuyuhi Darga Salaka Jaina Saikorana Saffron Party Li Kutomilo the Speaker Chinahanga. Manipur Shorkarwe Climate Change Action Plan version Kakane Kushokraradle. State Action Plans on Climate Change SAP-CCG Districtly Chakapai Action Plan Semshokawai District Environment Plans Sustainable Development Goals with Maramli Kangasan Workshop Achon Thang Kwika Haira. Climate change wibang Manipur State Action Plan version 2 with draft report agriculture, kala allied sector, water resource, forest resource, health, higata thawi maram changsir laga sarkarna masangla publish sahara chia. Forest and biodiversity, water resources, health, kala agriculture sectors mati hiwi tungle Manipur with SAPCC version 2 semshok hawai final input departments kala agencies pingwe akhoka pingle ngasan mahung dalai chia. Manipur University, Central Agriculture University, NIT Manipur, ICAR, Manipur we aina subject experts kala scholars pingla khangasan chiliwazanga. Global climate change policy ji sub national level li chatna kapai maram li ngasanda IISC Bangalore with Professor NH Ravindranath na kahang plan ping surer kwai Manipur na World Bank, ADB, KFW hikatatawi aina funding poplungra kala state wi vulnerability aina risk maps la district block level le yanglaga vulnerable samai kap kachi communities la muchu khui phulungra da hanga Manipur Center for Climate Change kasemla phara da hanga aya wi DSO report atishu da Ukhrul district li COVID positive mi akhala masang phangmana COVID second wave khara hile Ukhrul district le ari rashung da COVID positive sampang ka hai hi thingkha sha chishat hang chishat da chishat kashung ka haina report jiwe atishu da ariri arishang kala COVID ngaha khawai pamle active COVID case akhala malai mana latluida khamataya pauping LM block li sarkari project na tei da kupsang kahai aya chief minister na tharkat kami haira scientific degree farming maramle aya lamlai khonole training rani akha khuikami haira National Register of Citizens NRC update sami haulo the Federation of Haumena State Sarkar po haira Achu pau henang chang haira pau ngana da klei na tumsai ko relating pha kala khama haya Zimik sa serano